This troll tank wasn't damaged by the mine. But there's a Ukrainian drone nearby. It hits the fuel compartment and stops the target. A second drone delivers the final blow. The tank is engulfed in flames. 2 Russian APCs and 1 MTLB are smoldering on the road. One drone strike destroys the MTLB. Fire instantly engulfs this meat can. The second drone goes right inside the APC. A third strike, and we see the result of the failed attack from a bird's eye view. Next, the drone damages the tank with an accurate strike right in the forehead. The second strike got near the cannon. The final blow manages to stop the tank.